Hello and welcome to another video screencast product review. I'm David Strom, your host and reviewer. You can never have too much storage for your backups, but by using the product we're looking at here, the Sepaton S2100 ES2, we can free up a tremendous amount of capacity by not making copies of duplicate data. S2100 is a disk-based virtual tape library solution that works in conjunction with third-party backup software to run up to 10 times as fast as traditional tape-based systems. By virtual tape, I mean that these backup software tools, Symantec's Net Backup or Tivoli Storage Manager, think the unit is an ordinary tape drive system. Here we're looking at its main dashboard. We see at a glance that the system is running properly, how much capacity is being used, and what the impact of deduplication is. In our case, we are recapturing more than 80% of our storage capacity. Let me show you around the controls to get an idea of the power of this product. On the main system menu tab, you can see general network settings and notifications. You can also request support here if you need it. We can drill down here and take a look at the various reports that are produced by the S2100. Here is the full report listing, and as you can see, it is quite extensive with reports for individual applications such as Exchange and SQL Server. If we just want to keep track of our Exchange server, we can click on that entry and you can see more information about those backups, whether they were partial or full, and how much room they took to complete. You'll notice a listing on this report for a column labeled Policy. This corresponds to the policies that we have set up in our backup application. This is the setting in Symantec's Net Backup, showing how Sepaton works hand in hand with this and other backup products. If we go back and click on one of our Exchange reports, we can see more information about the backup software that performed the job and how much space we ended up saving due to the dedupe technology. The S2100 is composed of storage libraries which are equivalent to a backup unit, and each library has a number of virtual tape drives, and each tape drive can have one or more cartridges. This allows for maximum flexibility of your storage system so that you can make the best use of your server resources. Because the box allocates storage when it's writing data, you can oversubscribe your capacity without fear of it actually running over. We can also view the status of our storage capacity by clicking on the appropriate tab here, and as you see, we have more than 3 out of nearly 28 terabytes available. We can click on the disk arrays option at the bottom of the menu tree and see this report showing which controller has been assigned to a particular storage array. And we can drill down further and see the particular RAID sets that make up the array, and see each of 2 enclosures have a total of 12 drives, with 10 of them used to store data and the other 2 used for parity checking. I like that the initial setup is fairly straightforward and that you can easily add nodes to scale it up as your backup needs increase. The S2100 can be attached to a host via fiber channel connection, what Sepaton calls its scalable replication engine ports. Each node can have up to 2 SRE ports, and a single system can scale to 6 nodes. You can see the status of these here. What didn't I like about the product? Understanding the difference among cartridges, ports, and tapes takes some adjustment, as well as learning your way around the command line interface. Sepaton is a powerful and flexible dedupe backup appliance. Thanks for watching this screencast. You can view more of them at webinformant.tv and get information about my speaking business and links to my other articles here.